When you get a new ink cartridge, the inkwell itself is still sealed. What you'll need to do is use a utility knife, pop the pad out, cut a small slit in this side of the inkwell, twist the blade a little bit, and do another slit over on this side as well. See how the ink is starting to pour out? Once that's done, go ahead and put the pad back in. And the ink cartridge is now ready for about 25,000 strikes. These are our electric numbering heads. They are a mid to low volume type of numbering head. They work just like all the others. They slide into the block bracket, lower it in place, and then you will plug the electrical cord into the side. These are the blue feed wheels. They are made out of a very soft silicone. Any chemical on them will damage them immediately. The best way to clean these is a wet rag, water only. No other chemical whatsoever. To adjust feed wheels, you have two adjustment screws, one here and one here. Both are next to the side frames. To adjust the feed wheels to the type of paper you're using, you will use a small strip of the same thickness that you'll be running through the machine. Push run on the machine and check the pressure and increase by half turn on either side until you feel it tugging on the sheet. You want equal pressure on all four rollers. Enough pressure to pull on the sheet, but not enough to pull it out of your hand. This here on the non-operator side of the feed table is the micro skew adjustment, which allows you to move both rails at the same time. To use it, you'll unlock this thumb screw here, and then turn this thumb screw in the center. If set up properly, you have about an inch worth of movement in either direction using the micro skew. Once you move the rails into the right position, relock the thumb screw. When loading your stack of paper, the stack will need to be fanned, just like this, so that the paper can peel the top sheet off. Drop your angle and the lead edge of the sheet underneath your blue rollers, and then lay the back down smoothly. This is the Number Pro Touch entry-level automatic numbering machine. It has 3 different modes. In perf mode, it runs directly to the run screen. When you push run, it has a batch counter on it. To turn that on, you will push the on button, choose what type of batch you want, press enter, accept. It is now ready to run with the batch counter on. To turn it off, you just turn the off button on. Next mode is the number mode. You can have 12 different positions and number as many as 24 different times per sheet. Select the first position, put in your measurement in millimeters from the lead edge, and you can choose head 1, head 2, or both heads to strike at the same exact time at the same distance. Press accept. You're now ready to number. feeder mode allows the machine to have a variable speed so that this machine can be used as a feeder into a UV machine or into a laminating machine. The variable speed is from 1,000 up to 9,099. Here we're using feeder mode. I have the variable speed set at 1,000 RPMs. This would be used to feed paper into a UV coater or into a laminating machine. I am now going to change the variable speed to 5,000 RPM. Now change it up to 8,000 RPM.